Number 1. Rebu Uninstaller. You will see all installed applications. Follow those steps carefully. Now it will remove every trace of that software from system. Delete everything. Number 2. Windows Start. Select any drive and see what it does. It's calculating. There it shows every file in your system with size. You can easily delete unwanted big items. Number 3. iObit Driver Booster. I have installed all the drivers. So I am just showing it.
Number 4. Everything. Just see what it does. You need to search anything, just type the name. It will not only show it, but also it will show path. So cool and free of cost, it's really a favorite. Comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channels and follow on Instagram.